This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but the guarantee on their compressor, which is the heart of any dehumidifier, is not very good when compared to other brands. They feature electronic controls with an automatic defrost mode, but they only have a basic washable mesh filter which does not do much to clean the air. The unit has a 30 pint per day capacity but only a 0.53 gallon condensate tank. The unit has a 2-speed fan and a 3-color light to indicate the current humidity level in the room, but the settings for the light colors does not make sense and does not actually reflect the proper humidity level that is best for indoor air quality. For instance, the light will be green when the humidity level is between 68 and 81%, when it is actually recommended that the home's humidity level be kept between 30 and 50% to prevent mold and dry skin. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.